Welcome to Kidslearnpark.
Big, small. Elephant is big. Rat is small. Hot, cold. Coffee is hot. Ice cream is cold. Day, night. Sun in day. Moon in night. Tall, short. Giraffe is tall. Rabbit is short. Full, empty. The tank is full. The can is empty. Happy, sad. The boy is happy. The girl is sad. Open, close. The door is open. The door is closed. Inside, outside. The dog is inside the house. The dog is outside the house. Heavy, light. The man lifting heavy object. The man lifting light object. Few, many. There are few leaves in a sapling. There are many leaves in a tree. Fast, slow. The rabbit runs fast. Tortoise walks slow. Standing, sitting. The boy is standing. The girl is sitting on the chair. Stop, go. The red light means stop. The green light means go. Clean, dirty. This shirt is clean. This shirt is dirty. Old, new. This is old car. This is new car. On, off. The lights are on. The lights are off. Same, different. These flowers are same. These flowers are different. Good, bad. Apple is good for health. Junk food is bad for health. Young, old. Grandchild is young. Grandmother is old. Pull, push. The boy pulled the table. The boy pushed the table. Urban, rural. I am living in urban area. I am living in rural area. Rise, fall. The sun rises in morning. The leaves falls from the tree.